On June 9, 2022, NASA released that the James Webb Telescope had been hit by a tiny space rock. What does this event mean for us, as citizens of planet Earth? In reality, the event sounds much scarier than it actually is. A micrometeorite collided with one of the space telescope's mirror segments, but this was something that was bound to happen. The James Webb Telescope is not located in a vacuum pocket of space, so objects like meteorites are going to hit it. The engineers who designed this telescope knew it and designed it to withstand the wear and tear of space. We always knew that Webb would have to weather the space environment, which includes harsh ultraviolet light and charged particles from the sun, cosmic rays from exotic sources in the galaxy, and occasional strikes by micrometeorites within our solar system. We designed and built Webb with performance margin, optical, thermal, electrical, mechanical, to ensure that it can perform its ambitious science mission even after many years in space. Paul Geithner, NASA Technical Deputy Project Manager. The mission of James Webb Telescope is the most powerful telescope ever launched into space. Its infrared resolution has been hugely improved compared to the Hubble Space Telescope, and it will be able to capture images of fainter stars and further planets. The mission of the James Webb Telescope has 4 key goals. 1. To search for light from the faintest stars and planets that were created first in the universe after the Big Bang. 2. Study how galaxies are formed and evolve. 3. Understand the formation of stars and planets. 4. Study new planetary systems and try to discover new forms of life. With such huge goals to accomplish, it's no wonder why the James Webb Telescope was built to last in space. The design and development of the Webb Telescope involved simulations that tested large impacts against the telescope's mirror segments and body. Based on the results of those simulations, the Webb Telescope was built with gauges that sense the position of its mirror and can move them back to the proper position after large impacts. Since its launch on December 25, 2021, the James Webb Telescope has only been hit 4 other times by small micrometeorites. None were able to do any significant damage. Another reason scientists and engineers are not worried about the location of the telescope is because of the location where it was launched. The Hubble telescope lies in a low Earth orbit, making it a subject to more impacts of micrometeorites and space debris. The James Webb Telescope is parked in a higher orbit where there is not much space junk floating around that may impact it. Even though it sounds scary, there is no need to worry about this latest impact of the James Webb Telescope. It has already re-gauged the mirror segments that were hit back to their proper positions. We have still not seen any images from this telescope, but the first ones are still set to arrive on schedule on July 12, 2022. How exciting!